Hello friends, today I'm going to give a brief lecture about Pythagorean theorem and sine, cosine and tangent. The Pythagorean theorem works only for right triangles. What is right triangle? It is a triangle which has one of its angle equal to 90 degrees. Some people make a mistake and use Pythagorean theorem for other types of triangles, but it's not correct, so please do not do that. The right triangle has two legs, N and B, and hypotenuse, here it is C, which is the longest side of triangle. So if we know A and B, we can easily find hypotenuse C by this equation: C to the power of 2 equal A to the power of 2 plus B to the power of 2. Or we can write as a C equal root A to the power of 2 plus B to the power of 2. However, there is a other situation is possible that you know hypotenuse and you know, for example, one of the legs, like let's say B, and you don't know A. Then you can use also this equation written as A to the power of 2 equal C to the power of 2 minus B to the power of 2. Or if you don't know B and you know A and C, then you can use this equation. But there are some other situations when you know only one side of the right triangle. It could be either hypotenuse or it could be one of the legs. In this case, we can use sine and cosine rules. If we want to use sine or cosine rule, we need to know one of two other angles in the right triangle. But it doesn't really matter. If you know one angle, for example alpha, you can easily calculate beta, because sum of all the angles in triangle equal to 180 degrees. Then you can easily calculate the other one. So let's assume that we know this angle alpha. Then the sine alpha will be equal A divided by C. It means opposite leg divided by the hypotenuse. From here we can easily find unknown side of triangle. For example, if we know A, then we can easily find C because we know this angle. Or if we know C, then we can easily find A. And if we use cosine, then the equation will be like this: a cosine alpha equal B divided by C, where the B is adjacent leg to the angle alpha. We also can use tangent rule. We know that tangent is equal sine divided by cosine. You can see that we have C here and C here, so it can be easily reduced. Then we only have A divided by B. So now that we can see in sine, cosine and tangent, let's define them. Sine function defined as a ratio of the opposite leg to the hypotenuse. Cosine function defined as a ratio of adjacent leg to the hypotenuse. And the tangent function defined as a ratio of the opposite leg to the adjacent leg. This sine, cosine and tangent we can use for this angle. In this case, sine beta will be equal B divided by C, because in this case the opposite leg to this angle is B. Then cosine will be equal A divided by C, because for cosine here we should put adjacent leg. So in this case, tangent beta will be equal B divided by A, which is opposite to the tangent alpha. So these are the main rules for calculating the sides of right triangle. These rules are often used in physics to calculate modulus of vectors. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.